CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham asserts religion and not politics can bring harmony, urges all to embrace true faith and to stop comparing religions. Police obstructs students trying to storm residence of Professor Y. Yugindro in demand for withdrawal of FIR filed against some students and teachers of Manipur University. And Health Ministry appoints Professor A. Shanta as the first regular director of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS after a span of almost 4 years. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham has asserted that politics will not propagate harmony in the world, but it can only be brought by following the true teachings of religions. He said that every religion preaches goodness for mankind, devoid of jealousy and hatred. He was speaking during a religious conference organized by Swami Sivananda Charitable Trust at Mahatma Sivashram in Konthaujam today. The conference was attended by representatives of different religions coming from various parts of the state. Minister Karam Sham maintained that harmony will prevail when there is unity among people following different religions. He hoped that the conference will inspire in building unity in the state, stating that self-centric and disrespectful attitude is not preached by any religion. Minister Karam Sham also advised everyone to stay away from comparing religions.
Akoi miyoibana akoi miyoibagidamukta kayumba kara yaifanaba tawbasidagi henba dharma amamuk laite sini miyoibada aina aigi thajaba ishor khaki naam do solaga miyoiba samaj gi yaifanaba tawdragadi aina ishor do sonbagi wan tok to laite ngasigi kalakpana thallaba amaga mayengthinaba amana amabu namdhanaba honaraba matamsidadi nongmadi masing yamjadriba wakallon sina maram oidana Bharat Manipur matamgi matungina soy dana dharma punamaki apunba platform asidabu kanana thugai ngamgadori ge Muslim je suppose mangi tungi wanati Hindu gi deva karma thodo wathom sang bayaba nati adanga sidi laktana sak saminare Christian laktana tawre sidagi hena wangba addressa sidagi hena wangba philosophy the human value da ni tawre atma se ama khatani akoi ama khatani haibo wakalon da sagalai bo posida wakalon masa mayam amana karai da chamjelaga thugai ga dori no ba ana sigi idea laibani na sungchoi choidana nongodi the yamna mai palakigani palpasuaishnu.
Police fired several rounds of tear gas shells and dispersed the irate students who tried to storm the residence of Professor K. Yugindro, the Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University today. The irate students tried to storm the professor's residence at Wangkai Thangapat, demanding to revoke the FIR files by the professor against some students and teachers of Manipur University. Police blocked Wangkai Thangapat road leading to Professor K. Yugindro's residence this afternoon. Many volunteers of the 6 joint students' bodies, namely AMSU, MSF, DESAM, SUK, KSA and AIMS, tried to storm the professor's residence around 3:30 this afternoon. A police team led by additional SP Imphal East District halted the agitating students near Wangkai Puja Lampak, ensuing scuffles between the parties. Police fired many rounds of tear gas shells to contain the situation. Students also retaliated by pelting stones toward the police. The security forces finally dispersed the students. Member of Joint Students Coordinating Committee, Mayengbam Somorjit, demanded Professor K. Yugindro to withdraw the FIR lodged against some students and teachers of Manipur University at the earliest. He also demanded relevant authority to release all the arrested students and teachers of the university without any conditions, and also to complete investigations into allegations charged against Professor A.P. Pandey without further delay. Residents of Wangkai condemned the police conduct of firing rounds of tear gas shells upon the students.
Manipur University ki akhoi campus manung da makhal amata gi akhoi security force thamjin ba yaroi aduga AP Pande gi mathak ta chathari ba sigum laba inquiry chi athuba matam da loisinduna maral leiraba AP Pande chi lokhoki ge dabani amadi Manipur gi mahiru singi punsi kan ge dabani habasi koi luktarum ki achet pa phirebni oja sing amadi mahiru singi mathak ta FIR launch tawdana oja mayam phajal laka anda like la shu taksa ge daba oja mayam ma jenda thamjin biba aduga mahi tam ge daba mahiroi mayam ma aduga mahiroi luchingba mayam ma phajin dana jem da thamjin basi asoki mate akhoi akan ba mawong da koi condemn tawjai amadi masi hairiba FIR si athuba matamda koi handok anda oja sing amadi mahiroi sing ase thadok tuna koi gi mathok to hongidabani habase koi ki wakhalon da tangban.
Students took out human chain protests in Pangai demanding to resolve the Manipur University crisis without further delay and to release the arrested students and teachers of Manipur University unconditionally. 6 joint students' bodies, namely AMSU, MSF, DESAM, KSA, SUK and AIMS, organized the protest. Representative of the 6 joint students' bodies, Dhanachandra Khaidem, urged the government to bring an end to the Manipur University impasse, which has exceeded 100 days. He also demanded to expedite the inquiry procedures against Professor AP Pandey and to disclose the inquiry report to the public. Various slogans were chanted during the protest. Members of Naurem Laikaya Punba Maira Paibilub also staged a sit-in today in demand for restoration of normalcy in the academic atmosphere of Manipur University by resolving the ongoing varsity crisis at the earliest. Public Health and Engineering PHE Minister Losi Diko has inaugurated the Hangun Water Supply Scheme, a 198 lakh rupees project under Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana SAGY for the people of Wabagai constituency today. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Losi Diko asserted that Chief Minister N. Biren-led BJP government has been trying to provide clean and safe drinking water for the people of the state. The construction of the newly inaugurated water supply scheme with a capacity of 1.7 lakh litres started on October 27, 2016. The water supply scheme will cater to around 284 families and provide safe and clean drinking water to around 1,752 individuals. Minister Losi Diko said that citizens of a state can lead a happy and contented life only when the state is developed and peaceful. He urged to all the youth and students of the state to refrain from calling band and blockades. He also appealed to the residents to maintain the water supply scheme properly.
This is the most important item. Even our government is committed to give drinking water. Every household ishing issue, lambik issue, anything development. But unless and until peace like ready, development will take time. One blockade culture mentality.
A cycle rally on the theme Celebrate the Right of Wildlife took off from Khordak to Kaibulamjau today as a part of the 63rd Wildlife Week celebration. MLA Thanga T. Robindro flagged off the rally jointly organized by Wildlife Wing Forest Department and the Environment, Social Reformation and Sangai Protection Forum near Khordak Machin Dam. A bike rally in connection with Wildlife Week flagged off at Kangla in Imphal was received by Additional Chief Secretary Soeb Akhtar at Pawoi Laima Lairembi Hall in Kaibulamjau. Speaking to media, MLA T. Robindro urged everyone, including concerned officials, to cooperate in safeguarding the endangered Sangai. DCF Ajita Longjam, RO2 Naba, RO1 Birchandra and members of various civil society organizations attended the event.
Sangai si kandaba yade, sangai si koi Manipur gi koi mai ni koi Prithvi sida koi gi sangai si nasu koi gi saktam si malib na tai sangai si leibna su koi thanga ken gi su koi sangai si na koi Kaibulamjau ba national world amat ngai ba national park koi thanga ken mun gi leibani mainly ai gi thanga praja sin ai na hajaning ba si sangai si koi kandaba yade sangai si na koi thanga ken gi su mai ni aduna masida kanna hona bada agi pajamyam dagi cooperation daga tai pajamyam ju masida sojok pibi warasima haijagi.
Yangopokpi Lokcha Wildlife Sanctuary also observed the 63rd Wildlife Week today. A public rally took off around Moray town, which finally concluded at Betsaida Academy in Moray Wards number 3 in connection with the observance. Around 500 individuals, including staffs of Betsaida Academy and Yangopokpi Wildlife Sanctuary, took part in the rally. Taking part in the rally, a range officer of Yangopokpi Wildlife Sanctuary Range Moray, K. Bochoba, said that the Wildlife Week observance was held to raise awareness on the importance of wildlife and the need to safeguard wildlife from extinction. He maintained that human existence will be at stake if wild animals and birds cease to exist. Technopole Forest Division has concluded the 63rd Wildlife Week celebration 2018 at Palel High School in Palel today. The division has been celebrating the week on the theme Celebrate Rights of Wildlife. Divisional Forest Officer Technopole and Technopole District Wildlife Warden Dr. Lashangtem Jisili flagged off a rally from the school which was participated by the school students. Attending the program, SP Technopole Dr. S. Bomcha gave awareness on the extinction of precious birds and animals. Retired DFO KH Bira, Range of Forest Officer of Technopole Range, Hanjabam Imo, RFO Moray Range and Santosh, and many resource persons attended the event.
Masa pekwa lu mengkeli spesies foxe wo kongre sina ngam sa sing sapo pada kangun do nomai pari yagal le yagal ka par ha ko 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 akoi na bangoi du yang ta ti wi wa na te masi ecological balance ka shar bai da environment se sort na koi na wo de ni akoi na wildlife si plants and animals pula punse laganda ecological balance
District Administration Thoubal joined in celebrating RTI Week at District Election Counting Hall today. Eminent resource persons enlightened on the concept of RTI Act, a role of Information Commission towards providing information to citizens, and role of citizens in the effective implementation of RTI Act, amongst others, on the occasion. Thoubal District DC, State Information Officer and many local residents attended the event. Professor A. Shanta will fill the void of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS) Imphal by becoming the first regular director after a span of almost 4 years. The breakthrough came with an order from the Health Ministry. The newly appointed director, short of setting up a 500-bedded super speciality hospital at RIMS to the level of AIMS. Speaking to media at RIMS today, Director Professor A. Shanta intimated that the institute did not have a regular director for almost 4 years, and since he had limitations in taking decisions when he was the director in charge, budget of the institute depreciated. He assured of initiating various development projects with strict plannings as a regular director now. The RIMS director said though every hospital face problems due to either lack of patients, faculties and infrastructure, RIMS have both adequate patients and faculty.
RIMS the Queen is 47 years already. A Queen of Putoki doctor says, okay, I'm a young grave. I don't know the RIMS, I'm deserving new candidate. I don't know political pressure, the Dargali new RIMS, own of it. Manipur, the AMS, all of them. I don't know RIMS key the same way, surgery sit the same way, the main body we want him. With the Dr. Sam Lay. Main powers me, I take it in our college, and also the main powers like the one him. When faculty guy low doing high, with the faculty I'm lay the same way. A quid him and in a way the talk, a quid him upon the walk, me will Yamalay. Me at the faculty tea will come native. A quid in a top state and supply to rib.
Manipur Heart Foundation Sky Hospital has organized a one-day free echo screening camp at the conference hall of Moray Sub-District Hospital today. Residents of Moray belonging to various age groups ranging from infants to senior citizens attended the screening camp. OSD to Chairman of Sky Hospital L. Thanil maintained that the free echo screening program was conducted to identify individuals with heart ailments in the outskirts of Manipur under National Program for Prevention and Control of Cancer, Diabetes, Cardiovascular Diseases and Stroke NPCDCS and Rashtriya Bal Swastha Karyakaram RBSK programs. Imphal East District Election Office in a press release informed that a special registration camp for all the differently able persons of the district will be held on 9th October from 11 a.m. till 3 p.m. in altogether 3 different locations. All the concerned are requested to avail the facility for registration in the electoral roll from Mitei Mayek High School in Kongba, Social and Health Development Organization in Chingarel, Tajpur, Waiton Lamkhai and Haingang Mayai Lekai Community Hall near PHC Haingang. The JSC against the mob lynching incident of Muhammad Farooq Khan alias Furqan lauded the decision of the State Cabinet for passing the Manipur Protection from Mob Lynching Ordinance 2018 during a meeting held at the JSC office in Lilong today. JSC convener M.A. Zabar lamented that families of victims of mob lynching used to be helpless due to unavailability of such a law until now. He believed that the recent steps taken by Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren-led government will cease mob lynching in Manipur. M.A. Zabar also appeals to pass the ordinance in the assembly floor and also to file charge sheets against the culprits and punish them. A married woman reportedly hung herself to death today. The deceased is identified as Soireng Sabam Lili alias Tonibal from Kasham Thong Ilangbam Lekai Leirak Achauba, wife of late S. Shamlal. Family members found her hanging in the corridor early this morning. The body was taken to Rims mortuary for investigation. Reasons behind the death is still yet to be ascertained. Meanwhile, a man was electrocuted near Sky Hospital's Rims Road this morning. The deceased is identified as Gurumayum Jiten, 62 years, from Lalambung, Makhong. On the other hand, one transgender was killed in a hit-and-run incident yesterday late in the afternoon. The transgender on foot was hit by an unidentified vehicle at Uripok, Yambem Lekai. The body, which is still yet to be identified, is kept at Rims mortuary. Separate investigations are underway for the cases by Imphal Police Station. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Akom Loop exposing Siroi bakery of duping the public. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Organization Secretary of Akom Loop, Shanta Kuman, has accused Siroi Bakery of duping the public by printing fake dates without proper FSSAI number on labels of food items manufactured by the bakery. Speaking to media at Akom Loop office in Lamphel this afternoon, Shanta Kuman intimated that upon inspection by the organization, it was found that the bakery do not indicate proper location nor proper FSSAI numbers, and above all, wrong dates were printed on labels of the food items manufactured for sales by the bakery. He warned of reporting the misconducts to relevant authority and cautioned other bakeries of similar drives.
Ngasi manufacture tawba pot se yon ma tam na ngasi de adum thabiyu miyam da nam thak tawbiganu hayeng ayu thokidoba dukan na yon ngado pot to ngasi lagi yauna ngasi kai thokanda natraga ngasi lawthokanda hayeng ge te thajala yon ba je prajana nam thak tawbani su ma se tawbiganu amadi mari lenaba department na su department sing na su thisin biraga ngasi ma nam thak tawba sing se kudak ta yauna ngasi de yauna mamak nagi numin ma taruni ma so ma thengna ramni ma se ngasi lephan bi waina akom mai kai de appeal tawjari.
The 8th Biennial Divisional Conference for Gramin Dak Sevak under the Postal Department was held today. All India Gramin Dak Sevak Union Manipur Division NE Circle in a press release also informed that executive members of the union for the next term were elected on the occasion, with Yaima Sanasam as the secretary, W. Ibo Halbi as the president and Nilapa Dama Laistram as the treasurer. UNESCO Club Manipur has launched a public academic discourse program 107 Know Your Village today as a part of the ongoing month-long United Nations Day observance, which commenced on September 23. The launching day of the program began with discourse on the life and contributions of Major Maiba Tamara Singh for the people of Manipur during the reign of Maharaj Chandrakriti. UNESCO Club Manipur organized the event in collaboration with Major Maiba Tamara Singh Memorial Trust at the residence of Major Maiba's grandson and retired Inspector of Manipur Police Maibam Tomba Kuman in Kurai Sarjo Lekai Tinsit Road. Speaking in the event, Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited Naringbam Samarjit lauded Major Maiba Tamara Singh as a selfless leader of the state and urged everyone to follow his footsteps. Samarjit also presented a television set to Maibam Tomba Kuman on the occasion. Various undertakings of Salai Holdings were shown on the TV.
Manipuri imagi mapari mamom kaya ama asi nungsibi leko lasida satuna leitoni. Tawbatabu aikoina ishana madugi oiba chapchaba aigi manung yawsuba Pangal Thona Amadi Holpumago Madu Equate Samum Nabagi Tasena Equate Pudu Pangandani Adu Masidi Lesil no Pai Adu Magi Maki Pana Satkagani Equate Anuba Wari Ama Soydina similar than have said to Lagana Yana Hunda Papo Pumzerati.
The first conference of Tingkau Rangwak Chapriak TRC Assam Manipur Nagaland will be held from October 12 to 14 at Rogailong Zaliang Rong Kabui village. Tingkau Rangwak Chapriak Chaubom Pom TRCCP in a press release appeals to concerned civil society organizations and not to call any bunt or general strike on the said day. Pointrex Institute of Information Technology celebrated its 5th Foundation Day on Thangmaiban Thau ground today. Speaking in the event, Managing Director of SolveX Giga, Mahesh, stated that the field of information technology is changing every day globally. He mentioned the significance of Internet of Thinking (IoT) in the present scenario. He called on the people of Manipur to be in sync with the modern trend and urged all to be self-reliant instead of merely waiting for government jobs. Around 300 individuals have left Imphal today to participate in the 220th Memorial Observance of King Rajashri Bhagyachandra to be held at Radhakund in Mathura district of Uttar Pradesh from October 9 to 12. Deputy Speaker K. Robindro and titular King Laishemba Sanajauba flagged off the team from Hatta Kangjibung Palace compound at around 9:30 this morning. Discourse on the life of the late king and various cultural shows will be held during the commemoration program organized by Rajashri Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation, Manipur. Thadau Student Association TSA in a press release has condoled the untimely demise of the first direct IAS from Manipur, IAS retired Pu Kai Khokam Kipgen, who passed away on October 2 in New Delhi. Now the sports news. The 5th prize money inter-club state level competition 2018 organized by 6 Assam Rifles concluded today. Chirom Debia of Sika bagged the first position in individual Indian round women competition. For men, CH Boris of BCAC secured the first position. While in the individual compound event, SH Manorama of SARC bagged the first position for women and S Ramakanta bagged the first position for men. TH Sanai secured first position in individual recurve event for women and KH Rohit bagged the first position for men. Over 100 players from 16 clubs participated in the competition that began on that began on October 4. Inspector General of IGAR South, Major General KP Singh, Commander of 9th Sector Assam Rifles, Brigadier Amit Kaptial, officials of Manipur Archery Association, awardee of Governor's Innovation Award, Bachaspati Mayum Chauba, and top officials of Assam Rifles attended the concluding event. Major General KP Singh and officials of Manipur Archery Association felicitated the winners with cash awards and certificates on the occasion.
The main agenda is basically to give platform to our young boys and girls, and this is the platform at Assam Rifle. We are able to give them that platform, that competition, so that they can rise and they can participate at the national level. That is our aim. And Manipur is one of the major hub center for archery. So we want that junior category level at students and boys and girls, they must go and win medal at the national level. That is our aim.
Manipur Mountaineering Institute MMI's 82nd adventure course since September 21 concluded today. The adventure course was held at MMI complex in Lamdan. Participants were trained on how to have patience, increase self-confidence, and on adventures during the course. Speaking in the concluding event held at the complex, MMTA President Bijoy Kakchingtabam believed that trainees of the adventure course will excel in various fields in life. Trainees were also presented certificates on the occasion. President of Editor Guild Manipur Khogendra Khomdram and Editor-in-Chief of Impact News Yumnam Rupachandra attended the event.
courses da ekona tongan ba item mayam tambidana angang singsida khangba kanba self confidence na chingba si mayam ji hengalana ba khoi honai ekona asa tawjaba sing asi boda mountain trekking association na ID second base phawba kona adventure course tor pasida adventure course sing da yawgiba naha singse soidana khoi mai tongan ba profession da tongan ba sinpham da leramaga su successful oiba mi oirongani successful oiba perfect oiba mi oirongani haidana madugi chawthokjaba madugi nuwaijaba du lejai.
Neroka FC, an upcoming best national level football club of India, has inaugurated its new training ground today. Speaking to media, Neroka FC President Thangjam Arun expressed a desire to establish a football academy on the new training ground located at Loitang Sandum. MLA Lamsang S. Rajan inaugurated the training ground. He appreciated Neroka FC for taking a significant role in the field and for bringing pride to the state. MLA S. Rajan, who is also the Deputy Chairman of State Planning Board, assured of all possible assistance in maintaining the ground. He disclosed plans of constructing more sports fields in the open fields of Loitang Sandum. An exhibition match was played between Neroka FC and a team comprising of members from a local club and players who once played outside the state.
Mangla nama sagat cheri beste koi lamdam masida yamna phajaba adugumba academy ama linkhatpa sine koi na pamjai sing ngasi sida leijabi ba ground sigi koi bada koi na karigumba government gi side gi aduga topa side gi koi da karigumba financial assistant phangule regadi koi sungsoi soidana koi sathuba matamda yamna phaba manipur gi sanaroi football player myam puthona bahona bada mateng pangnu bi dongta academy ma hangdo pa haibusu koi neroka gi chepa thajabani
tamdam ama chawkhat lanji haiba taragadi koi peace haibasi yamna mangjil thaba aduna peace poroksi haiba taragadi sport haibasi the game haibasi the koi priority pira kanda ai koi gi tungi laibak lep ko dori bai koi gi naharol singa se masa mau phana masung tingjang kaijang daba afaba wakhalon khanmangamba adugumba naha nga ta semgalaba kanda manipur da ban blockade amaga ai koi communal gi asigumba kaino mayam singa se laoi.
Mumbai Manipuri Meitei Association Navi Mumbai, in a press release, has assured to extend assistance for G. Ingobi Chingtham, 20 years, from Khongjom Sapamaya Lekai, who will be cycling from Navi Mumbai Central Park, Kharghar to New Delhi. Association members and cancer patients will flag off the journey from Navi Mumbai tomorrow at 9 a.m. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. CAF and PD Minister Karam Shamazad's religion and not politics can bring harmony, urges all to embrace true faith and to stop comparing religions. Police obstruct students trying to storm residence of Professor K. Yugindro in demand for withdrawal of FIR filed against some students and teachers of Manipur University. And Health Ministry appoints Professor A. Santa as the first regular director of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, after a span of almost 4 years.